previous day we just start the string, chapter 8 string, and we studied about the what you mean by string, then how to access the character in a string, then about a length function, then the immutability of string. So today we are going to study about some string operations. So we already studied about the string is the sequence of characters. So Python allows certain operations on some string data types such as concatenation, repetition, membership, and slicing. So first operation is called concatenation. Concatenation means to join. So we need to join two strings we using concatenation operator. So here we using the plus sign for concatenation. So here from the example you can see that string 1 is hello and string 2 is world. So string 1 plus string 2 means hello world. So that hello and words are concatenate together, means join together by using plus operator. So this is called a concatenation operator. So after concatenation, look at that here, string 1 is equal to hello, string 2 is equal to hello, string 2 is equal to world, and string 1 plus string 2 is equal to hello world. So after the concatenation, string 1 is remains hello and string 2 is remains world. So there is not affected anything to string 1 and string 2. String 1 plus string 2 returns hello world. This is a use of concatenation operator. Plus sign is used for concatenation. So next one is called a repetition. So repetition allows the given string using repetition operator, which is denoted by the symbol star. So this is normally like multiplication. So look at that here, string 1 is hello. So we need to repeat the value of string 1 is 2 times, means hello and hello. So we need to use the star operator, string 1 star 2 or string 1 into 2. So it returns hello 2 times, hello. So if you need to repeat the values of string 1 5 times, then we use string 1 into or string 1 star 5. So it returns hello 5 times. So this is the use of repetition operator. Repetition means to repeat more than one times the string value by using the symbol star. So next operator is called membership operator. So Python in string there are two type of membership operators are there, in and not in. So first we need to study in operator. So the in operator takes the two strings and returns the true if the first string appears as the substring of the second string. So by look at that here, string 1 is equal to hello world. Then we need to check that w in string. This is membership operator, in operator. So w in str1. So it returns true because w is already present in string 1 in the world. So here look at that, the WOR in str1. So it is also returns true because the word WOR, it is already present in string 1. So this is a substring. So then the last example, my in string 1. So it returns false because my is not present in string 1. So if the that substring is present in that string, it returns true, otherwise it returns false. So this is the use of in operator. So next one is not in operator. So look at that, the not in means, so here string 1 is equal to hello world, then check that my not in str1, it returns true because my not in the hello world. So next one, hello not in str1, it returns false because hello already present in str1. So this is the use of not in. The not in operator also takes the two strings and returns true if the first string does not appear as a substring in the second string, otherwise returns false. So in operator and not in operator work in opposite way. So this is the different types of membership operator. So concatenation, repetition and memberships are completed. Slicing is some difficult, so I will explain. It need more time to explain, so I will explain the next video, slicing. So these are the main string operators: concatenation, repetition, membership and slicing.